were asked what is our dream job, time goes by, I discovered that I'm a good observer. I love to observe how people respond to different situations and to know different personalities and behavior. And it applies the habit one, be proactive. You
Yeah.
need to identify your interests for you to be right. When I was in college, I took up BS Psychology. It's a Bachelor of Science in Psychology. It's the study of human behavior.
Yeah.
So, inaaral namin yung different behaviors. Okay, so, for those aspiring lawyers or doctors, you may also consider this course as your payment or freedom. So, it applies the habit too. Begin with the end in mind. So, you need to discover your interests. Practice different interests or you pursue different interests. You need to study first. Habit 4, think deeply. You should always think that if you finish your study, you will be life. Habit 5, when I finish my studies, I become a human resource person. We are the one who conduct interviews with the applicants. And I handle different facets of HR. Aside from interviewing, we also handle different benefits of other people. So, from handling those facets, I deal with different people. So, dealing with others, you should listen first for you to understand them. Habit 6, synergize. I work with others to do the job faster. Habit 7, carbon the show. You should take care of yourself. And even though I finished my study already out of work right now, I still pursue my master degree. And I also attended various trainings and seminars to widen my knowledge. And before I end this talk, I want to share with you my favorite motivation I have with myself. If you want to live a happy life, you need to tie a goal. You need to tie it in a goal and not to people or others.